Did you know that 78% of drivers waste money on premium fuel their cars don't even need? Today, we're busting 6 of the biggest fuel myths that are probably costing you hundreds every year. Number 1. Premium fuel makes any car run better. Here's a shocking fact. Last year, Americans wasted over $2.1 billion on premium fuel their cars didn't need. Let's break down exactly why this myth is killing your wallet. Premium fuel has a higher octane rating, typically 91 or 93, compared to the regular 87. Premium fuel is like giving a racehorse's diet to a regular riding horse. Sure, it's more expensive, but if your car isn't designed for it, you're literally throwing money away. But if wasting money on premium fuel sounds bad, wait until you hear how this next myth could actually damage your car. Number 2. Always fill up your tank in the morning for better mileage. We've all heard this one. Fuel is denser in the cold morning air, so you get more for your money, right? This myth probably costs people millions in wasted time and unnecessary early morning gas station runs. Let's look at the science that kills this myth. Yes, gasoline does get denser in cold temperatures. That part is actually true. But here's the game-changing detail most people miss. Modern gas stations store their fuel in massive underground tanks, typically buried 6 to 8 feet below ground. At that depth, the temperature stays nearly constant, around 55 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit, no matter if it's a scorching summer afternoon or a freezing winter morning. Speaking of temperature myths, this next one is literally explosive, or is it? Number 3. Full gas tanks can explode in hot weather. This myth is especially popular in hot climates, where people swear you should never fill up completely on a hot day. Some even say you should crack open your gas cap daily to release pressure. And the scariest part? People are actually doing this, potentially damaging their fuel systems because of social media advice. Let's hit you with some eye-opening science here. Your fuel tank would need to reach over 250 degrees Celsius or 482 degrees Fahrenheit to pose any risk. That's 2.5 times hotter than boiling water. Unless you're planning to park your car inside an active volcano, your fuel tank isn't going to explode from heat. Finding these mythbusters helpful? Hit that like button to help other drivers save money at the pumps. Number 4. Starting your car uses more fuel than letting it idle. If you still believe this one, your wallet is probably a lot lighter than it needs to be. This myth is like a zombie. It just won't die, even though modern cars have completely changed the game. What's worse? This outdated advice isn't just costing you money. It's also contributing to unnecessary pollution. Here's the truth that oil companies don't want you to know. Modern fuel injection systems are so efficient that idling for just 10 seconds uses more fuel than restarting your engine. That's right, every minute you spend idling is literally burning money. And we're not talking about a small change here. The average driver wastes between $70 and $650 a year on unnecessary idling alone. And here's something nobody talks about. Excessive idling doesn't just waste fuel, it can actually damage your engine over time. When your car idles, it's not operating at its ideal temperature, which can lead to fuel residue buildup in the engine. But if you think idling myths are costly, wait until you hear how this next myth could leave you stranded. Number 5. Running on low fuel only hurts your range. We've all done it, pushing our luck with that fuel warning light. The gas station is just a few more miles, right? But here's what most drivers don't know. Running on low fuel isn't just risky for getting stranded, it's actually killing your fuel pump. And a dead fuel pump? That's a $500 to $1,000 repair bill waiting to happen. Think of your fuel pump as a water pump in a pool. It needs to stay submerged to work properly and stay cool. But there's something even more sinister happening in your fuel tank that most drivers never consider. You know that satisfying splash when you fill up an empty tank? That's air getting into your fuel system, air that your fuel pump was never designed to handle. Let's talk about what's really happening down there in your tank. Every time you fill up, tiny particles of rust, dirt, and sediment settle to the bottom. It's just physics. When your tank is full, these contaminants stay harmlessly at the bottom. But when you're running on fumes, your fuel pump is sucking up everything that's been settling down there for months or even years. Here's the real kicker. Modern fuel pumps are cooled by the very fuel they're pumping. When you're running low, that cooling effect diminishes. It's like running your computer's cooling fan at half speed while playing high-end games. Your fuel pump is literally cooking itself every time you push past that warning light. And forget about that quarter tank means 50 miles rule you've been using. Modern cars vary wildly in their fuel consumption rates. That last quarter tank might give you 100 miles in highway driving, but barely 50 in city traffic. We've seen drivers stranded because they trusted their usual range instead of their fuel gauge. Want to hear something that'll really make you think twice about running low? That sediment at the bottom of your tank isn't just dirty, it's actually corrosive. Every time your pump sucks it up, it's like sandblasting your entire fuel system. We're talking about damage to fuel injectors, fuel lines, and filters. Parts that can cost hundreds or even thousands to replace. The real pros never let their tank go below a quarter full. Not because they're paranoid, but because they understand that the cost of a single fuel pump replacement equals about 200 gallons of gas. That's like throwing away 6 months of fuel savings in one repair bill. Remember, your fuel gauge isn't just measuring distance potential, it's measuring the lifespan of your fuel system. Every time you dip below that quarter tank mark, you're gambling with some of the most expensive parts in your car's fuel delivery system. Speaking of expensive repairs, our final myth will probably cost you thousands over your car's lifetime. Number 6. Fuel pumps last forever. Here's a statistic that should wake you up. Replacing a fuel pump can cost anywhere from $500 to $1,000, yet most drivers never think about maintaining it. The truth is, your fuel pump needs proper fuel levels to stay healthy, and treating it like it's immortal is a costly mistake that mechanics see every single day. Remember that pool pump comparison? Running your fuel pump without enough fuel is like running a pool pump with half the water it needs. But it gets worse. Your fuel pump is actually running at around 40 miles per hour, all day, every day, whenever your engine is on. That's like running a marathon every single time you drive to work. Let's dive into what's actually happening inside your fuel system. Your fuel pump isn't just moving gas. It's part of a sophisticated pressure system that needs to maintain pressure anywhere from 35 to 65 pounds per square inch, PSI. When fuel levels drop too low, the pump starts sucking in air, and that's when things get expensive. Think about this. Your fuel pump will spin about 200 million times over the course of 100,000 miles of driving. That's like asking your heart to beat non-stop for a decade without rest. And just like your heart needs blood to keep pumping, your fuel pump needs fuel to keep running smoothly. Here's something most drivers don't realize. Modern fuel pumps actually use the fuel they're pumping for lubrication and cooling. Every time you let your tank run low, it's like running your engine without oil. The cost of maintaining proper fuel levels is literally pennies compared to the cost of replacement. We did the math. The extra weight of keeping your tank at least quarter full costs you about 25 cents in extra fuel consumption per tank. Compare that to an average fuel pump replacement cost of $800. And now, some preventive maintenance tips on how to make your fuel pump last. Keep your tank at least quarter full and do a complete fill-up at least once a month. This helps flush out any sediment that might have settled in your tank and ensures your pump stays properly cooled and lubricated. Here's another insider secret. The best time to fill up isn't when you're running on empty, it's when you hit the quarter tank mark. This not only protects your fuel pump, but also gives you enough reserve fuel to reach a different station if prices are too high at your regular stop. It's like having an insurance policy that actually saves you money. Remember, every time you ignore that fuel warning light, you risk running out of gas and potentially shaving hours off your fuel pump's life. In the world of automotive maintenance, an ounce of prevention isn't just worth a pound of cure. It's worth about $1,000 in repairs. There you have it. 6 fuel myths that are probably costing you money right now. The next time someone tells you to only fill up in the morning, or that premium gas will make their regular car run better, you'll know better. Want to save even more money on car maintenance? Check out our next video on the big mistakes that will destroy your engine. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. Remember, the best way to save money at the pump isn't to follow myths, it's to know the facts. We'll see you in the next video.